We must tread lightly on this fragile landscape, minimizing our environmental footprint, ensuring that our actions do not disrupt the delicate balance of life that has evolved over millennia. Antarctica, with its extremes of climate and beauty, its scientific marvels, and diverse wildlife, is a testament to the power of nature, its resilience, and its fragility. It is a place that humbles us, reminding us of our place in the grand scheme of the universe. As we learn more about this remarkable continent, we must work together to ensure that Antarctica remains a place of enchantment for future generations to come, a sanctuary of scientific discovery and environmental stewardship, a reminder of Earth's beauty and the challenges we face in preserving it.